We got North here, and today we are going on tour to Pitbike. We're gonna
speed.
Weather's pretty nice today, so we're gonna go for a pit bike ride and see how far these things can take us in the town of Chilliwack. And my dog hates motorcycles. She just bit my foot. Let's see how much trouble we can get in today. Oh yeah. It's a good day for a pit bike ride. a video of that.
Ow!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Is there any good little lines on this thing? This looks about right. Yeah, Norm! Oh! I bet you we can catch some air on this thing. You got it!
Nope.
Why not?
Stop.
Nor's got it! Come on, Nor, let's see it, buddy. Oh! Oh yeah! Skid your back brake!
I know, I'm scared.
Let's go this way. Oh, it is icy out here, boys. Oh, we're gonna hit the shade and it's gonna get real cold. Meow. Meow. Back on Pitbikes, dude. This is fire. Where are we going? Oh! Yes. Ice.
Dude, I couldn't get off the ice. I was like, just letting. Oh, fuck! I keep thinking I'm in neutral.
Oh, we're going down. Whoa! Around the corner. Going out for a cruise. Such a beautiful day today. Yes, it's cold. I am freezing. But, it's really about as good as you're going to get. Do we want to go up to Cultus?
Yeah.
Yeah. North's back there stuck on the ice. I almost just died on the ice. Oh, North's struggling. Oh!
No traction at all.
Going for a putt. This is the Vedder Mountain Trail Association Enter trail. So you get to the staging area, you can pay for your yearly membership, and it gets you a lot of perks for the season. Oh, we got a guy coming down. Looking out. Just out for an absolute rip today. This is sketchy. There's ice on the puddles, skidding into the turns. Whoa! Just like that. Oh, whoa! good day for it.
Zero traction on the ice at all. Like none at all. I give it gas and it's like wah, wah.
This is a great pit bike adventure.
I know, so far it's going pretty good. My underwear is fucking in my ass. So. Like I feel like I'm wearing a G-string.
We just made it up to the Vedder Trail Association and North's playing around in the snow.
It's got no traction.
That's so awesome. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, circle wheelie that thing.
What?
Circle wheelie that thing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. There you go. This is what happens when you don't want to beat up the good bikes. You just come beat up the bad bikes. Well, this is a good bike. So is that bike, really, but it's only $700, so who really cares? Look at these drifts, dude. Give me a review on this thing right now, for the people.
I mean, it's the best $750 I've ever spent. It's good to learn wheelies. It's better to try this on this, or wheelies on this, and a Dyna for the first time.
Yeah.
Got it for like 3 days.
See, North has never wheelied before. Jesus.
Good as new.
Back on the trails, easy on the throttle, help reduce the harm of the trails in here, because these aren't really designed for going fast, so just to get to the trailhead for the rest of the trails on Vedder Mountain. And then you don't get all these gnarly brake bumps, but people like to think that this is a racetrack. Thanks to all the volunteers that really make up all the... Ah! Died?
Almost went into a tree.
Burp, 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 burp.
I got no traction here, dude. I don't know if I can get going.
Well, let's find out.
No, I literally can't.
This is the only way up, bud.
That's fucked.
Give her the beam. You got it. Oh my god, it's lost guys, dude. Oh!
This thing is fucked.
That was crazy.
Tokyo drifted this off it.
Yeah, boys.
Dude, I'm sliding more than I was back on Ice Road Trucker season 14 and the roads north of Yellowknife.
We'll make it. No, literally. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh yeah, Norp. You got her, buddy. Keep her pinned, bud. Keep her pinned.
Jesus Christ. Zero fucking traction. Holy fuck. That was not fun. I was sliding backwards. Got fucking no traction or I'm fucking dying or something. It's fucked.
You can't tell, but this hill is so gnarly. The GoPro died, so I didn't get a clip of going up it. Yeah, buddy! Keep her pinned! Keep her pinned! Keep her pinned! Keep her pinned, buddy! Get the traction down! Hammer down!
Holy fuck.
Hammer down, bud! Hammer down!
I almost made her.
You almost made her. Holy. We're up here in the moon tans.
Holy fuck, bud. Thanks for introducing me to dirt biking.
Oh yeah.
The tire that's got no traction. A hill fucking steeper than Pikes Peak.
But the 110 did pretty damn good.
I've never ridden a dirt bike in my life. Holy fuck, man.
It's pretty cool up here though. What do you think?
Fucking afraid of Sasquatch. Smell 'em.
Yeah, North's falling over again. Yes.
Oh my god, that's all ice. How is the guy supposed to ride when everything is ice and you're fat and stupid?
We've gotten ourselves deep into the BC wilderness. Oh, okay, North is coming. He's just a ways back. But this is one of those chat ideas. Might not have been the best idea, but it does make for some good fun. Yeah, Norp!
Put myself in the cabin. Took the wrong line and I went over the top. It was awesome. Dude, it keeps dying. The bike keeps fucking dying.
Whoa! Damn
How
it.
far are we, dude? Keep smashing my feet off rocks too. Dude, I got fucking died.
Oh yeah, there you go. Oh! One hand is sketchy. Oh, I'm gonna die.
I can't make it any direction.
That was fucked.
God, dude.
Do some fucking shitties.
No.
Why? Nice trail conditions. Let's see it, Norm. Oh! It's a good use of tire traction. You gotta use it like the kiddie bar ice skating and just send her down.
Help a fucking brother out, man.
Holy fuck. You got this.
Filming, help.
Red Bull crashed ice, who? Just get on it and skate it down.
God fucking no.
You got this, bud. You got this.
No, I don't.
You got it. You got it, bud. You got it, bud.
I'm running myself over.
See, easy.
Holy fuck.
I think I might try to skate down this.
Skate?
Like my feet. Really nice trail conditions out here on Vedder Mountain. Beautiful day for it. Oh yeah.
Holy fuck.
Well, we made it back into the urban, back onto the streets, and I think it's time to go grab some lunch, maybe at the skate park quick. Oh boy. We're back in the civilization.
My bike only broke twice in 2 different ways. It's all kinds of fucked. I bent the front wheel. Axle fucking back shifted all the way forward. Chain was slapping off everything. It's good now though.
But now we're gonna go for some lunch at Rivers Restaurant. Perfect. Bone apple tea. Pretty good day for it. Out here in the wilderness of O Canada.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Or O Canada?
No, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kool-Aid.
Sun's going down, she's getting chilly again, and the bike's loaded up. North tried to wheelie it into the back of the truck and deleted the front fender. The tailgate won, bud, the tailgate won.
Yeah, it did. You want to tighten that for me at the same time?